does Kambo make you feel? With many people touting the benefits of this Kambo frog medicine, it has left many of you curious as to what this traditional Amazonian ritual really is like. You may have heard all the reasons to do Kambo, but what is the experience actually like, you may wonder? What does it actually feel like to do Kambo? Well, there are many physiological sensations that are pretty common to experience in a Kambo ceremony, but it's important to know that each Kambo treatment and individual is completely different. And I think it's important for you to keep in mind that your experiences, even between sessions, might vary considerably. So often the effects start to come on within a minute or so after the application to your burns. And generally you start with feeling your heart beating harder and faster in your chest, or you'll get a heat flushing sensation in the body, or tingling sensation in the fingers, the toes, or other parts of your body, pressure building up in the head, your heart beating in your ears. You might experience tears and mucus kind of getting secreted from the eyes and nose. Facial swelling is normal, so don't panic if that happens. Shaking is normal, or you might feel lethargic, or even like a warm, euphoric feeling. You are likely going to experience nausea. That's generally a welcomed part of the experience. And purging through vomiting is usually seen as a fundamental aspect of the ritual of releasing whatever is not serving you. You might also release through having a bowel movement during your Kambo experience. And just know that the physical sensations of Kambo can range from extremely uncomfortable and agonizing to even pleasant at times. So there really is a whole spectrum, and you don't necessarily have to suffer relentlessly to deserve the healing that you're getting. So keep that in mind. And once the medicine is removed, usually you start to come back down to baseline very quickly within 5 minutes or so, and usually it lasts 20 to 30 minutes total, depending on how long your practitioner leaves the points on. So sounds pretty great, right? So you might wonder why on earth anyone would ever do such a thing. Well, you don't necessarily do Kambo because it's fun. You do it for the after effects, and that's where the benefits really come to you that make this whole process and discomfort absolutely worth it. What Kambo does to your body. Based on the dramatic physical reaction from Kambo, one might make all sorts of assumptions about what this frog sweat is actually doing to our poor bodies. And on the outside, it may be alarming and seem like this is obviously not safe or beneficial for the body. However, while it can look like the body is being poisoned, the physical reactions that we see are actually very much a result of the biological mechanism of the peptides that are contained in this secretion. So rather than our body responding with a toxic substance, these are actually just effects from the peptides interacting with our physiology. Kambo has more than 24 different peptide analogs in it, and many of them have been studied scientifically and show amazing potential to be used as medicines for a number of different ailments. Some of them have opioid activity and are dramatically effective for reducing pain without producing withdrawal or dependencies like other opioids. Some of them cause the contraction of smooth muscle in our intestines and stomach and cause the secretion of gastric juices. Some of them have potent antibiotic activity against viruses, fungi, and bacteria of many types. And some interact with our cardiovascular system and cause the reduction of blood pressure. So these peptides seem to be generally non-toxic to the human body so far upon investigation and have a number of health benefits. Is Kambo dangerous? While there is certainly only a small amount of research that has been done on the peptides contained in Kambo, they appear to display minimal to no toxicity towards animals, and show tremendous promising benefits as novel drug interventions. So while it's easy to try and explain Kambo's effects on the body as a simple toxic response to a frog poison, it's actually the complex mechanism of the peptides that prompt these bodily functions and responses. And while no intervention is safe for everybody, most people are fit to safely receive Kambo when administered by a trained practitioner with safety protocols that are in place.